Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect TradeLocker to TradingView. The short answer is that there's nothing extra you need to connect. TradeLocker already uses TradingView's charting engine, so the goal of this walkthrough is simply to show you where to check and how to confirm the connection. Begin by opening the TradeLocker trading terminal and navigating to any market's chart. For example, select the -USD pair and open its chart. The specific symbol isn't important. You can choose any instrument you prefer. What matters is that you're looking at a live chart within TradeLocker, so we can verify the integration. Give the chart a moment to load fully, especially if you've just logged in or switched symbols, so all the chart elements and controls appear. When the chart is visible, look toward the bottom left corner of the chart area. You should see the TradingView logo displayed there. That small badge is the confirmation that your chart is powered by TradingView from within TradeLocker. It's subtle, but it's the definitive indicator that the two platforms are already working together behind the scenes. Because TradeLocker uses the TradingView chart directly, no separate connection or linking process is required for charting. You don't need to authenticate another account or install anything else. All the familiar TradingView tools, drawing features, indicators, timeframes, and layouts are available right inside the TradeLocker interface. This means you can analyze markets with the same look and feel you're used to on TradingView while placing and managing trades within TradeLocker. If you don't immediately see the TradingView logo, make sure you're viewing the main chart panel rather than a watch list, positions, or settings pane. Try resizing the chart area or exiting and re-entering full screen so the corner labels are visible. A quick page refresh can also help if the interface was still loading. Switching to another symbol and back to your original chart is another simple way to prompt the chart to redraw and display the logo clearly. To recap, open any chart in TradeLocker, such as -USD, check the bottom left corner of the chart for the TradingView logo, and you're done. There's no extra setup needed because TradeLocker is already using TradingView's charting technology. From here, you can customize indicators, annotate your charts, and continue your analysis seamlessly within TradeLocker, confident that you're working on the TradingView-powered interface you know.